In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side front wheel well liner on your Dodge Ram, located in the passenger side front wheel well. Using our 7/8 socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts. With the lug nuts removed, let's go ahead and remove that wheel and set it aside. We want to go ahead and use our 8mm socket to go ahead and remove the 8mm screws securing our fender flare to this vehicle. Your vehicle may not have these fender flares. If you don't, you might have a series of smaller screws going through the fender and into the wheel well liner. Remove all of those. On the back side right here, you're going to notice a little plastic push pin. You can go ahead and use a trim tool, reach around the back side, twist that out. That is simply securing the ABS wire junction right there. On the inside of the wheel well liner, you're going to find a series of 8mm screws. Loosen and remove all of those. Once you have your screws out, you can go ahead and grab that wheel well liner and gently work that out from the fender. Go ahead and set that aside. Go ahead and install the liner. What you want to do is go ahead and start probably one of the upper screws in. This will hold the liner in place while we go ahead and install the rest of the screws. Now we're not going to tighten that down. We want to make sure we get all of our other screws in first, and then we'll come back and tighten them all down together. Continue to do this all the way around the edges. Now that we have all of our screws installed, let's go back and snug them all down. Once you have all your fender liner screws in, go ahead and take your ABS connector, and that little button will come through the back side right here. And lock that in. Now if your vehicle has the fender flares on it, go ahead and line that up. And start installing your screws. Now we've got a majority of our screws in here. Go ahead and finish putting the rest of your screws and snug those down. Go ahead and grab that wheel. And we're going to go ahead and get that installed. Get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once we have all these on, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 135 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.